So yun nga, nalaman natin ng una nating video kung ano ang mga indication na isa tayong mga mahihinang ama o isa tayong weak na mga father. So ngayon naman pag-usapan natin kung ano ang mga indication na isa tayong strong na mga ama o strong father. Number one is we spend time with our children. Oy. And then next is we can control our emotions. Don't spank. Yan. Lead by example. Sober. Yan. And then we are practicing. We're practicing what we preach. So, sinabi tayong isa tayong mabuting ama. Masasabi natin na isa tayong mabuting ama is yun kung pinapractice natin what we are preaching. And then, understand kids will be kind. Understand kids will be kind. So, isa yun sa mga indication na isa tayong mabubuting o strong father. Listen to our children. Never yell. Yan. Isa palang indication to na hindi tayo naninigaw ng ating mga kabataan. And then, have patience. And then, show grace to our children. So, those are the indications na isa tayong strong na father. Follow and share.